We decided to engage Innov8 Africa to help us overcome some of our challenges as an organization. We wanted to improve communication amongst the teams and colleagues. We also wanted to improve interpersonal trust and also improve organizational trust.
What we did is very informative.
A very good program.
Very interactive and very educational.
Coming here has just given me the opportunity to learn stuff that on an ordinary day I wouldn't have known.
I've learned a lot in one day that I wouldn't have done in the 5 years that I've worked for Sysmex.
In fact, it really helps you to improve.
This program has been really educative and an eye-opener for me.
Very interactive, especially when I got the chance to be in charge of the supply chain. I got a chance to know so many grievances that other departments are having with my department. The explanations they were giving to me, the reason why they are listing that, we are looking forward to know how best we can resolve their issues.
I really loved your approach, how the whole thing was organized. It's one program that combines fun and education, and so it never gets boring. I mean, for the food aspect, the champagne and all that.
When I was coming, I was excited because I know the delivery will be magical.
You guys are amazing. Compared to other workshops that you may attend, which is usually formally structured in terms of the organization, you realize that this one is more relaxed.
Being in this space takes my mind off some harsh world, stressful life. Has been an opportunity for us to take a break.
So when we were coming, I thought that we would sit back and then listen. I like the fact that we've had the opportunity to participate. I am very happy.
The way and manner within which we came up with this kind of solutions and how you manage to get everyone involved in this.
It really tells you that there are other ways that you can really do it.
The conclusions we have now, if it were to be in a general meeting in the office, it would have taken us several hours to come to this kind of conclusions we have here.
Together with Innov8, we had several meetings to ascertain what the needs of the organization are, and Innov8 proposed the Innov8 project, and it has so far been very productive.
Program it's something that you cannot be so sure of what's starting and what's ending, because it's a free space where you expect people to be very creative.
Zach used to tell me about the Innov8 program, and that he used to say it's been very good. But now I can also say to others that it's been very good.
The program too has given me opportunity to know more my colleagues and appreciate them.
I will admit that I'm discovering even some people beyond what I knew about them before. Like Peter, I didn't know the comic part of him. I know the resistant part of him.
There are some colleagues, for example, that I have never talked to. Until today, we quite started exchanging, and then it
bring us closer.
I discovered the dancing person in me today with the Shakira music. I'm not a dancing person, but today I did it.
Been doing this training for a while since I started Sysmex, but this time around is different.
I feel that I have finished my learning and development program for the year. There's a little learning about communication skills, presentation skills, interactive skills, and even if you don't have the full session now, you've picked a little bit of it in one session.
Most of our staff had a lot of fun at the Innov8 workshop with Lead It Africa. They also had opportunities to create new ideas which will help in our business transformation. We have also seen a lot of team bonding after the event.
In French, they say, les bonnes choses ne durent jamais. The good things don't last forever. They have to come to an end.
The experience has been great.
Fun, enlightening, reawakening. Awesome.
Fantastic.
Innovative.
Fun and exciting.
Incredible.
Comprehensive.
Inspiring. Refreshing.
Exceptional.
One of the best trainings.
I think the training is already a very big achievement.
I want to thank the leading team, and I hope to see you soon, and we have another program again.
Going forward, we will encourage management that this shouldn't be the end. Such sessions should be on regular basis.
Our intention is to have it at least 2 times a year, where we can bring all teams together to brainstorm and bring up new ideas which can help transform our business and also improve the company culture.
I would highly recommend it for any business organization that needs growth or a change in its status quo.
I will encourage other organizations that are interested in building organizational trust, improving interpersonal communication and communication amongst their teams to engage Lead It Africa for more ideas on how to develop this, such as the Innov8 workshop.